Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 9 of 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas and the prompt is flowers. That sheet of paper you just saw on screen, I created that with my gel press. I do have a gel press video, so I'm going to leave the link above and below. And I added this stamp plus this other stamp from Stamperia. So I did use several stamps that I will leave the links below in case you want to check those products out. Now this number stamp I did get from Michael's, which was on clearance. And I used that to put the 25th on there. I don't know if you could see it really well on screen. So now I'm going to ink the edges and I'm going to start to embellish this tag. So I had no flowers on hand, or at least I had no Christmas flowers on hand, but I did have this rosette, which I have a video how you can make this rosette. And I put some red flat bags on the center, and with this gold marker, I painted the edge of the flower because I really needed to give it that festive and Christmas look. To help accentuate what I stamped in gold, I decided to add gold leaves and a gold trim. So sit back and enjoy as I build this tag. And this tag turned out to be very classy and elegant. I absolutely love it. I challenge you to find any flower you have on hand and give it that Christmas and festive look. Thank you so much for watching. I want to know what you think below and give this video a like. And watch Eileen's and Lisa's channels for their tags for our 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas. Until next time, and God bless.